Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to play music within Discord. So this is a fun little Easter egg they added, and this way you can, not really make music, but kind of you can. I will show you. So first of all, when you're on a MacBook, you can press Command and then press slash. So press Command slash, and on Windows you can press Control and then slash. Alright, so let's do that right now. I'm on Mac, so I need to press Command slash, as you can see right here. And here you can see all of the keyboard shortcut, all of the keyboard combos, they call it, within Discord. But basically what you need to do, you need to press any of your arrows, and as you can see right here, you can tap any of your arrows. Let's do that right now. So this way you can basically play a bit of music and have fun with the Discord. This is a little Easter egg, nice to know, nice to tell your friends, etc. This way you can have a little bit of fun with your little arrows. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. I think it's not the answer you actually were wishing for, but still, this way you can make a banger of a song, hopefully. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys soon. Bye bye.